Guys, it's Cartier K. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Thank you. Today for this DIY, you're going to need cardboard boxes, scissors, box cutters, Elmers Glue All Extra Strong Formula, glitter, and also glitter glue. In the video, you're going to see me using a pocket knife. Do not do that. It gave me a lot of blisters. I will say that you do get a box cutter or find something else that will be easier to cut through a box. Just how I cut out the main logo, the Louis V, I also did the same for the flower. So you would do that same method of tracing it and cutting it out for all the other logos as well. For the logos, I did freehand. I Googled online the logo and just looked at it and kind of just traced it onto the cardboard. I also have to give a big shout out to Alyssa Forever and Pisces Finest. They were my inspiration for my wall. I watched both of their videos and kind of put my own little twist to it. I will put their YouTube name and information in the description. You guys, please go subscribe to their page. These ladies are awesome. Also, to give you guys a follow-up review on the glue, my wall has been up for 2 weeks. Nothing has fell down. The logos are still intact in place. This glue is amazing. So I did want to make sure that the glue worked before I upload the video. Okay, right here is showing me applying the glitter glue to the logo. Please make sure that you use the glitter glue before you put the glitter on it. The glitter glue gives it that extra shiny look to it, and it also catches spots that maybe that the glitter did not get. Once applying the glitter glue, please make sure you lay it flat. In the video, you see me using my hand. You don't have to use your hand. Just use anything that you can just lay it out flat. The flatter, the better it looks when applying the glitter. Hey guys, don't forget to make sure that your glitter is dry before you apply it on the wall. This is a major step. Please make sure the glitter is dry. Okay, so once your glitter is dry on your logo, this is the glue that I use to put it on the wall. You see it says extra strong formula. Now I did see a DIY YouTuber tell me something about when cardboard and glue dries, it gets very sturdy. This logo is dry. You will apply the Elmer's glue to the back of the logo. As you can see, I put a lot on there because you know you want it to hold. Place you want for the logo, and you apply pressure to it. Maybe 20 seconds. This is fast glue, so you know it does hold. I totally forgot to mention that I did buy black spray paint. It does not matter what kind of black spray paint that you use. I did use them on some of the logos and just got lazy and did not want to go get another bottle once I ran out. So you will see some with a black background and then some that do look brown. It still looks good either way. So it's really up to you. If you were to get some, I would recommend you get 2 cans. I only got 1 and couldn't finish the rest of the wall. So, okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm not gonna lie, for this being my first time and not having any like drawing or what you can say artist skills, I think I did a very good job. I think this is definitely going to be a showstopper when people come in my house now. I love it. Please comment if you have any questions or something that I did not mention in this video. This is my first time. I'm a new YouTuber, so please let me know. I can learn from you guys. So like, comment, and subscribe. Like, this wall is fire. I want to thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel because I will have other DIY projects that I will be working on. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel.